Hello, I'm Liz Stevens, the BAHS Program Director, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the internship for the Bachelor of Arts in Human Services program. So what is an internship? Well, an internship is basically a way that we apply the learning that we got in the classroom to a practical or professional setting. And it will give you the opportunity to gain valuable experience and make professional connections that will help you in your career, and also gives the internship site the opportunity to guide and evaluate talent or future potential employees. So why should you do an internship? Well, besides the fact that it's a requirement for your graduation, it's also the opportunity to directly apply what you've learned from your classes, and to gain valuable work experience that you can put on your resume. It'll help you with your future job search. It's an opportunity to check out if a particular agency or a particular client group is the right fit for you, and also if you're the right fit for the agency. It's also an opportunity to gain knowledge of the field or the profession, to gain new skills, to network with other organizations, and an internship often can lead to a job. So what are the requirements for the internship for the BAHS program? Well, first you need to complete all of the Human Services core courses, and you need to get an average 2.5 GPA in those courses. Each internship site has its own particular requirements for a criminal background check, but they all require this. And then you need to take this class, HSC 410, pass it with a 2.5 or higher grade, and then also receive the recommendation from your instructor to proceed to the internship. So the internship is 2 quarters long. It's 350 hours total, and that averages out to about 17 hours per week, which is about 2 full days a week or 4 half days, or whatever it is that you work out with your internship site. Internships start either in the summer quarter and run summer through fall, or they start in the winter quarter and run winter through spring. We have a lot of sites we already have agreements with throughout Western Washington, but it's not comprehensive. And if there is a place you want to work, or if you don't live in Western Washington, I can help you to find an internship in whatever area you're interested in and in whatever part of the country you're interested in working. There also is a concurrent seminar or capstone course that goes along with the internship, and it's an opportunity for you to reflect and process what you're learning at the internship. So how will you go about choosing your internship site? Well, first I'm going to ask you to identify your short and long-term education and career goals, because that will influence where you do your internship. You'll be asked to complete a survey in SurveyMonkey, and you can find this in the assignment tab. And you'll also be asked to write a paper evaluating your readiness for the internship, and also identifying areas that you can work on to better prepare for your internship. You'll be working with me on identifying the right agency for you, and once we do that, you'll develop your resume and interview at your top 1 or 2 internship sites. So these are some examples of different types of internship sites that students have been at. Organizations such as Catholic Community Services, organizations that work with refugees, drug and alcohol treatment programs, organizations that work with juveniles, and then a lot of governmental organizations too that are like Child Protective Services or DSHS, and then some national and international organizations as well, YW and YMCA, International Rescue Committee. So what makes for a successful internship? Well, first and foremost is your supervisor. Your supervisor has kindly agreed to take on an intern and do all the coaching and mentoring and guiding that role requires. And so making regular use of your supervisor, having regular meetings, bringing your questions and concerns to your supervisor on a regular basis will be very important. Also, professional dress, professional behavior, being on time, doing what you say you're going to be doing, and also showing enthusiasm for your placement will be very important. You want to create a positive, lasting impression at your agency, and take advantage of every opportunity that's offered. Go to meetings, go to trainings, try new things, absorb as much as possible while you're there. This is the one chance in your career probably where you'll be able to do that, to experiment, to try out different things. Once you get into the workforce, those opportunities are a little bit less. Also, consciously apply the skills and theories that you learned in the classroom to the setting. Really think about, how would I apply motivational interviewing here? Or what are some of the theories of case management that might help me here? Participate fully in the internship seminar where you'll have the opportunity to apply what you've learned. So just wanted to show you this slide to illustrate how many students are either offered a job and or accept a job at their internship site. You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these 11 students were offered jobs at their internship site. So it is a great place to get a job. So you should be thinking about that when you are selecting your internship site. So there is an assignment in this class to write an 8 to 10 page reflection paper that will discuss your goals for your internship, what kind of places you'd like to work, how ready you feel for the internship, and what things you need to work on to get ready. And detailed instructions for this assignment are found in the Assignments tab in Blackboard and in your course syllabus. And I'm very excited that I'll be able to help you to find the perfect internship site.